Word explorers, it's time to unlock a powerful new word. Today we're sharpening our eyes and minds, right here on Word Up with Sofia. Today's word is observation. Can you say it out loud? Observation, let's go. Let's spell it together, ready? O-B-S-E-R-V-A-T-I-O-N. That spells observation. Great job. Observation means the act of noticing or watching something carefully. Let's break that down. It's all about paying close attention to the world around you, so you don't miss important details. Here are some words that mean the same as observation. Say it with me. Noticing, attention, awareness, perception, watching, mindfulness, detection. Pause here and review the synonyms. Each one adds more meaning to your vocabulary. Now let's look at the opposites of observation. Neglect, ignorance, inattention, obliviousness, disregard, carelessness, distraction. Pause here and review the antonyms, so you know what observation is not. Here's a great example. Sofia's observation of the ants helped her write a great science report. Let's review. Observation means the act of noticing or watching something carefully. Synonyms: noticing, attention, awareness, perception, watching, mindfulness, detection. Antonyms: neglect, ignorance, inattention, obliviousness, disregard, carelessness, distraction. Observation is your super skill for learning and discovering. The more you practice it, the more amazing things you'll notice all around you. Here's your challenge. Take a moment today to make an observation about something small, like the sound of the birds, the way the clouds move, or how your pencil feels when you write. Then, share your sentence with someone using the word observation. Big discoveries often start with simple observations. When you look closely, you open the door to learning, curiosity, and wonder. And remember, you're already doing amazing things. Keep your eyes wide open, word explorers. Your powers of observation will help you shine brighter every day. I'll see you tomorrow for another exciting word adventure.